what's going on? I'm so glad to be back. I missed you all. I know I have been MIA, but my laptop went kaput, so I was kind of deciding on whether I was going to get a new one or I was going to get the one I had fixed. Anyway, I'm back. I missed you all. To my new family, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate the love. To everyone else, thank you for the beautiful comments and all the support. I love you all and thank you for tuning in. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a couple of headband wigs that are dreadlocked. So if you want to see that, please keep watching. Okay, beautiful people, so the first headband wig I'm going to be reviewing is from Daixi. It's an 8-inch synthetic braided wig. That's a headband wig that's ombre locks. And it's from Lenny Beauty. I bought it off of Amazon. Anyway, I seen it on one of my favorite influencers channels, so I decided that I wanted to just go ahead and review it for you all. So here it is. Okay guys, so I was mistaken. I thought it was a headband wig, but it's actually a half wig. So we're gonna have to finesse this thing. But it's ombre and it's in the color F1B30, and it has combs in the front and like the standard band and no combs in the back. So let's see how this works. Okay guys, so I pushed it back a little bit more on my head. I think if you finagle this, this can work. Like, and this headband came with it, and what else came with it? Some earrings came with it, and also a black wig cap. So we're gonna try this headband and see how it looks with the headband. I don't know guys, what do you think? Naggle it a little bit. I think it's really doable. I actually think it's really cute. Kind of got my earrings caught up in it. Make sure I got it sitting straight so you all can kind of get a gist of it. And some of it is still under the headband. And here we go. So that's a cute little look with the headband. So no guys, this is not a headband wig. It is a half wig, but you can make it a headband wig if you just throw a headband behind it. It's actually sitting quite sturdy, and I really do like this look. Really, I do. I really like the ombre. It's a really quick throw on and go. And you know, your girl is about throwing on and going. You know, the easiness and all that goodness. I like all that. So, you know, it's really pretty, I think. Tell me what you all think. If you like it. If you think you can finagle it with a headband or without. Guys, I wanted to show you the back. I wanted to show you everything about this wig. So I usually give a full 360. So before we go, Let me show you the front, which is this. Here's the top. Here's the right side. Here's the back. Here's the left side. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it. I kind of like it. Like, I think it's different. You know, if you're looking for that dreadlock look, that natural look, this is it. It is a half wig, however, it's big head friendly. I had to really tighten it up in order for it to really fit on my head. If you needed to, you could tighten it up, but if you have a bigger head than I do, which is I have like a medium average size head, this definitely will work for you. And you can make it turn it to the side, you can put a headband on it. It's just like a cute little throw on and go. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna go. Let's do the next wig now. All right, beautiful people. So here is the second wig. This wig is from Eliza hair. It's an actual headband wig this time. It is a short folk gypsy new lock wig, and it's of course it's glueless because it's glueless. Anyway, it has a comb in the front, and it has the elastic straps that you can kind of pull apart, which to me is excellent for headband wigs. Oh, it has two combs in the front, sorry. And it still has, two combs on the side. And it has the standard strap that you can strap in to the back. And then it has the elastic strap around the headband. So it's probably about 14 to 16 inches. And I also seen this wig on one of my favorite influencers channels is at her hair. So I'm gonna try it on and we'll see how this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put these combs in because oh, I love the combs. I'm gonna tell you I love the combs. I love the combs. Go ahead and strap this. Elastic. Yeah, guys. This one, I really like this one. I feel like some Nubian queen. Yeah, it's really pretty. The straps really do it for me. It's so, I like the dreads. They are so pretty. Like, they look really natural. They look really natural. Like I said in somebody's cheer, and these is my dreadlocks coming from my hair, which they not. However, they look really pretty. When I ordered it, all they had was like the black, so that's what I had to get, but I definitely would get these at a lighter color. Like I said, they may be like, they're a little bit longer than 14 inches. They probably are 18 inches. The strap in the back is really great. It's on my hair really snug. This is not coming off. It's not. And they're actually lighter than what I thought they would be. Like, I can wear these. Now, I don't know if it'll be a whole summer thing, but I could wear these. And I really like it. Really like it. And this one retail, I don't know if I told you what the other one retail for, but the 8-inch synthetic one retail for $19.88. And this one retail for $36.99, and I bought them both at Amazon. And of course, I will have them linked in the description box. But this one, I think you could do whatever you want to do with it. If you want to put it up, you could probably put it up in a nice little pony and have it going like that. You can put the full thing up if you wanted to and have it kind of stretched out like that. Yeah, this, I really do like these. The other one, it was okay. I liked it, but I like this one a lot better. I like this longer one a lot better. So guys, if you like these wigs, like I said, I'll have them linked in the description box. I ordered them both from Amazon again. This one retails for $36.99. The shorter 8-inch one retail for $19.88. So let me know what you think about it. Leave it in the comment section. Again, happy to be back. I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, like, share, and subscribe. It helps your girl out. We friendly here. Not too friendly, but we're friendly. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.